For this project, I will be using Google Classroom. The first step is to log into your Google account. Then you're going to go into the right-hand corner and hit the plus button. After this, you're going to hit Create a Class. Check the little box and then hit Continue. And then you're going to want to fill out the form. So the class name would be Ed 161. Our section is A. The subject is Integrated Technology. And then our room number is Gary 103. Then hit Create and wait for it to create. Once it is done creating, it will bring you to a screen similar to this. Now, to add students to the classroom, I'm going to hit People, then go to this little plus sign next to Students, and you can either type in a name or email of the students in your class, and then hit Invite, or you can have them use the class code, and they can do this by, if you go to the home page, they will hit the plus sign, and instead of hitting Create a Class, they will hit Join a Class. By doing this, they will then put the class code in there, hit Join, and then they will be a student in your classroom. The next feature is the classwork and what you can post to the forum. So to do this, you want to hit Create. When you hit Create, it will show you 6 different things you can post, or 6 different buttons you could hit to post on the forum, and they each have a specific function. The first one we're going to start out with is topic. The topic is very important because if you want to keep your classroom in order, you can use this. So if the lesson for the day is lesson plans, you can hit add a topic, and this will automatically create a topic. Now this is very important because if you were to use any of these, you can post it either under this topic or another topic you create. So how to do an assignment. So to create an assignment, it's going to bring you to a screen. You're going to type in the title of the assignment, the instructions you have for your students, and you can put how many points it's graded out of, or if it's ungraded, the due date of the assignment, and the topic. And if we're going to put this under lesson plans, title, which would be homework, and then the due date is tomorrow, we'll say, and then you want to hit assign. And as you can see, it will put it under the lesson plans topic. Another function is quiz assignment, and this is where you can actually do online quizzes in the forum. And it's the same thing similar to the assignments. You want to fill out the title, the instructions for your students, whether it's ungraded or out of 100 points, the due date of it. So if we want to make this on the 12th, the topic you want it under, lesson plans, and then the quiz form, which you can actually edit yourself, or you could use a file from your computer, go into your Google Drive, get a link off of YouTube, or get a link off the web. Then you're going to hit assign, and it will go right into the lesson plans topics. Next thing you do is post a question to the classroom. So this is the same thing. You want to fill out the form. So how was the lesson today? Maybe is your question to the class. Then your instructions would be how you want them to answer it. If you want it ungraded, so we don't want this graded. The due date, which we'll make tomorrow, or we'll make the 18th. And then the topic, we'll put it under lesson plans. Or you can actually create a topic within that, and then the same thing, you can either make it a multiple choice or short answer, depending on what it is. And then you can either add a file off your computer, add something from Google Drive, video off of YouTube, or a link off the web, and then post a forum, hit the Ask button. And then this will post it into the Lessons Plan tab. Next thing is the material. So if there's certain if there was a snow day or something, if you want your students to see something, you can actually post that specific lesson or material, whatever you want, on the forum using, you can title the material, give a description of it, and then add it to the topic, or you don't have to, and then you can add it using one of these functions down here, and then hit post. So we're going to use material, and then hit post, and it will post it underneath the lesson plans. The last thing is to reuse a post. You can actually pick, if you want to use something from an old post, you can go use reuse a post, select the post you want to reuse. So if I want to reuse a quiz, hit reuse. It'll bring up all the information from the day. You can edit it again, change the due date and stuff, then hit assign. So we're just gonna make this do the 25th, then hit assign. It will then be posted to the lessons plans topic, and that is how Google Classroom works. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the presentation.